Welcome back to MOTOCREEK, you guys. Here's another episode here in the shop. Today we're going to do the transmission oil change on this Defender HD-10. We are going to be doing a full service on this whole thing, so if you haven't caught any of my other videos or you're looking to do any other oil changes, be sure to look up its channel and be sure to subscribe so you can stay tuned for all these how-tos. So today we're doing the transmission, and first off we're going to take our 17mm socket and come up under our nice clean engine compartment, or rather our chassis, and I'll show you where the hole is for our plug for our transmission. So right up here is our hole. There's two big ones on this rear skid plate here, and it's the one right dead in the center. Take your 17mm socket, get it up in there, and give it a nice break. Bring in here, we got the magnet tip here on our plug, and right here we have just a little bit of debris, which is very normal. Don't be freaked out. As long as there's no real big chunky bits in there, everything is just fine. So it's going to look pretty black. This is the first service on this differential, so that's what it looks like right out of the factory. Okay guys, no big deal. Alright you guys, I got the plug all cleaned up. I got the new crush washer, got everything nice and clean. I've been sitting here quite a while letting this drain. You can sit here as long as you want, whether you're getting paid for it or not. It's up to you. It's down to the end. It definitely is. It seems like it will drain forever. So your own discretion, but I'm going to call it good. I'm going to throw the plug back up in here. And then take your torque wrench and get it to 15 foot-pounds of torque. There we go. 15 foot-pounds of torque, you guys. Not too much. Okay, now that we got our plug back in the machine, we're going to come back here to the back of the unit. I like to take and pull the pin out of here so that we got a lot more room to work with. But what you want to do is you want to come down in and you want to find this cap right here. That's the fill cap for your transmission. You're going to take your same 17mm socket, and I like to use an extension setup so I can get down in there and get it completely out of the way. And we'll go in and take that off real quick. So this unit calls for this as its transmission fluid. This is full synthetic, 75 weight by 140. They call for 1.32 quarts, which ends up being like 1230 milliliters. Okay, so one of these, my quick math, is 946 milliliters. So you're going to have a full one of these in there, and then you're going to have 284 milliliters left over that you need to use your second jug in. And you can weigh it out, measure it out however you want. Not weigh it out, measure it out how you want. There's milliliters on the side of the bottle, so do your best to put at least 1230 milliliters worth of your 75 by 140 full synthetic in your transmission. Alright, so we got the proper amount of oil in there. Be sure if you're checking your oil, you're screwing it all the way down. It does require for you to screw the dipstick all the way in to get the correct check for your oil check. So we got everything looking good here. We're going to throw this back in and get it lined up. Get it tightened down by hand. And grab our torque wrench and get it torqued down. If you have a crescent wrench, or if you have a torque wrench that goes down to 44 inch-pounds, good on you. I do. This is right there at 44. That is a plastic cap, so you don't want to break that. I'd imagine it's relatively expensive. All right, you guys, with that should be it. That should get you through a pretty quick transmission oil change on your CANAM Defender. This is the 2025 model, so it should probably be just as simple and just as easy in all the other models dating back to, as far as my recollection, at least 2021. So hope that helps. Hope you got something out of it. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't yet subscribed, hit that subscribe button and join us for some more. We will catch you on the next one.